Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to rectify no display problem in laptop. Friends, as we know that computers and laptops are the electronic device and they require regular doses of runtime to work on. There are several opportunities where we do not get an opportunity to work on. Sometimes out of touch time goes to a week, a month, even a year. Later, when we get an opportunity to work on, no display problem can be seen. It is not necessary that you get the problem then and there, it can be shown later. Approx 95% of chances are due to moisture. That means you have a 95% chances to rectify your computer by own without any professional. That means you can do it by own and there are 95% opportunity to save money. Today I will show you one by one all the steps how can you rectify no display problem in your laptop or computer. Let's begin.
You can see when we press power button there is no display. I have already checked AC adapter and battery. There is no problem with AC adapter and battery. Let's do other steps. Here we can use rubber or brush to clean hard disk track. We also need to clean hard disk slots. Now we need to clean slot and track of RAM.
these steps, there are 95% chances no display problem will be resolved. If there is still problem, you should try to change the RAM. If you are unable to get the display after changing the RAM, you need to check
capacitor.
Finally, after changing the RAM, if you are unable to see the display, you should seek for a professional who can change the capacitor. After changing the capacitor, definitely your problem is going to resolve. Friends, if this video is useful for you, please like the video. If you think this video is useful to any other person, please share this video. Friends, if you are new in channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel so that you can get my video first.